Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 here. So, how many times have you guys that have bowled had your finger grips pop out while you bowled? Well, it's happened to me a few times. Usually when I go to the pro shop, they put a little bit of glue in, put this in, and it usually lasts for a while, but once in a while they pop out. So today I'm going to show you how to glue it at home so you don't have to go to someone else to do it. So first thing, obviously, well, it's already taken out, but next thing you want to do is take some of your tools and then just get any last pieces of the grip out of it. So just file along there. Already did a little bit, so I'm just showing you a little demonstration. And then you take this and just smooth out the edges. So it's pretty clean. So that's done. Take some alcohol, wipe the inside of there. Same thing with the grip. I already did that earlier. So now what I'm going to do is just push the grip in. Once it's pushed in and then flush with the surface, you want to test it out, make sure it's in the right position. That works for me. So then what I'm going to do is take this Gorilla Glue, use the nozzle portion. I'm only going to use a little bit. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. So that's probably hard to see. So what I'm gonna do, hold on one second guys, let's see if I can get a better angle. Okay, so we're back. So take the nozzle off, and I'm just peeling it back just a little bit. So I can get a little bit in there. Okay, and then it says to hold for 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 seconds. And then what I'm gonna do is do the other side, and that should be good. And then we'd be all set to go. Okay, so that side is done. So now we'll go do this side. Okay, so now another 10 to 15 seconds. Now the reason why I don't put the glue in and then put the grips in is because I only want to get the glue on the top side. That way it's easier to take out in case the grip tears or rips or anything like that. So it'll be a lot easier to take out and replace if I just put on the top. So that's the reason why I do that. Okay, so we're almost done here. Just a little bit longer, probably wait another 5 seconds. Okay, so now we're done. Okay, so we are done here. Just gonna wait for this to fully dry. Not bowling today, so it'll have plenty of time. And then if any of the edges are raised a little bit, I can just use one of my tools that I have to just flatten the grips a little bit. That way they're flush with the rest of the bowling ball. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.